Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this is week 3 of our weekly check-in for October. The days that are going to be included is 17th through the 23rd. Now before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below. Comment if you do budgeting and how you are doing this week, because mine was doing great. I was doing great, and then yeah. We'll just get into it because I'm filming this right after I got home from the dealership, so let me just tell you what happened. But before we get that, we're just going to go through all the other days and then end up with story time, I guess you can say. Alright, so on the 17th, we had a no spend. We're going to add that. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I was working night shift, so I did go grocery shopping, got gas and everything else, so we will mark those in. All right, so Saturday we did Walmart grocery pickup. I did it online, and then I paid with my debit card, but then I took it out of my cash envelope that I will show you, the envelope system. I took the money out of my grocery fund and then just deposited that back into the card. Alright, so we went grocery shopping, and that was $19. The total was like $37, so Jared paid me $19 and then I paid $19. And that was Friday. Alright, and then I think that is it for the 19th. Nope, I actually went to Starbucks that day. And we are going to take that out of Out to Eat, which is this one. Starbucks. And just to let you know, I am using Simply Cammie's budget stickers. And I absolutely love her. Her stuff will be down below also. So that was $13. And that was for the 18th. All right. So, let's see. And then that is it for the 18th. Now, on the 19th, I came home and went to sleep. And then we had to go back and get some stuff for cooking and everything, because I forgot that we were going to do lasagna this week. So I needed to get the stuff for that. And that was $34. I'm sorry I'm like so out of it, which I shouldn't be, but it's just what I'm going to tell you. It's just sickening, I guess you can say. So that was $34. And then for cushion, I went on Amazon. I found this dress that I really, really wanted to try, because I actually won a mini photo shoot off of Facebook, off of one of the photography site that I follow, and I was chosen to do a mini photo shoot. So Jared and I are going to do a mini engagement shoot, so that would be fun. All right, and then that is all for the 19th. And now moving on to the 20th, which I'm going to zoom y'all in just a little bit so y'all can see. Alright, so the 20th, I had to get some stickers. I had to get Simply Cammie stickers, and then I had to get the November kit. So I decided to just make one big order, and I have not gotten it yet. It should be in a couple of days. I ordered it, I think, Saturday, like Saturday night or something like that. So I have to look into that. So that came out of our cushion, or my cushion fund, which is my debit card. So that was, it was $38.62. So I'll say $39. And I will do a video of unboxing it, what I got and everything. So that will be fun. Alright, and that is everything on the 20th. Now on the 21st, I had a doctor's appointment. And Of course, I had a unexpected copay, which my copay was $10, and then apparently they sent me a bill because I had to get x-rays and stuff, and what the insurance didn't pay. Insurance paid like $300, so I had to pay $25. And I do not have my sinking fund stickers, so what we are going to do is, what's good about the Erin Condren planner is that they come with stickers. So we're just going to take one of these purple stickers and we are just going to add it to our sinking funds for right here. It's a little bit big for my take. I don't really like them, but it is fine. It's free. It comes with your planner. So I'm going to write doctors. All right, and that was, how much did I pay? $25. All right, so that was my doctor's bill. And then my friend, my sweet friend, I love her, my best friend, she came and hung out with me, and we had sushi because we haven't had that in a while, and I haven't seen her since, gosh, I don't know, July, September, no, probably not September, July, most likely probably July. So it's been a while, and we literally live like right down the road, but we are on different schedules and everything, and I miss her so much, but it was good to see her and everything. So we got sushi, and that is with the tip also. Fun money, we went to Publix because she wanted to make some banana bread. So I took her to Publix, and then you guys, I found orchids. Those are my favorite flowers of all time, and they were on sale, like the teacup orchids. They were on sale for buy one, get one free. And you know, at Publix, if you get something that's buy one, get one free, if you only get the one, you only pay half the price. So these were regularly $9.99, and I only bought one, so I only paid $5, which taxes, it was like $6. So that was freaking amazing. So I had to get it. Absolutely love orchids, and it's chilling on my windowsill right now. All right, and then we got gas, and that was $15. All right, and I think that is it for the 21st. Yep. All right, and then before we get into the 22nd, on the 23rd, which I am filming this on Tuesday because Wednesday on the 23rd, I know for sure I'm going to do a no spin because I'm working a 12-hour shift. So I went ahead and just filmed this just so it will be up on time on Thursday. All right, so on the 22nd, you guys, I wanted to go, you know, routine basis, go to I scheduled an appointment to get my oil change and everything. And come to find out, I needed new tires. These tires I've had for almost 3 years. I've already got one replaced. If it's on one of the check-ins about a month ago or 2 months ago, something like that. So I had to get 3 more tires. 3 more tires. And they were $118 a piece. And God, it just hurts my heart because I literally only had $105 in my car maintenance. So I had to take it out of my emergency fund. I know. I had to take it out of my emergency fund. It hurt me to the core. To the core. Like, I was so upset. I was just, I just don't know what I needed to do and everything. But I had to use all of, I'm just getting the stickers out that I'm going to use. I had to use all of my car maintenance sinking fund, and then plus I had to get into my emergency fund, which is my savings account, and I had to go and do that. So I used $105 for for part of the payment, but let me just show you. I covered all the information and everything, but I had to get out $421.74 out of my savings account. And yeah, I'm just really upset about it right now. But, you know, in positive, I'm going to save it back up and then I will reach my $1,000 goal once again, which kind of sucked because I had to pay for physical therapy also. And I didn't have enough money for that. And it's a lot to take in. But you know what? I'm going to do it, you guys. This is not going to hold me back. So I'm going to say... savings. How much was it? 421. So I'll just say $422. And then for car maintenance, it was $105 is how much I had in there. And then the 23. So, you guys, this is just a small hiccup for me, and I'm going to bounce back. I am keeping the positivity here. All right, you guys. So before we get into our check-in part, no spend. The 18th was a payday, and went grocery shopping. I had to get Starbucks because I was working night shift. Saturday was another grocery. I bought a dress off of Amazon. I bought some Etsy stuff that I will be doing a video on that. Doctor's appointment, we had sushi, Publix, I got those flowers, gas, and then emergency fund and car maintenance. Alright, you guys, so moving to our check-in. Alright, so for our check-in, for groceries, 100 minus 34 minus 19 equals $47 left over. And that, let's see, 34 plus 19, that was $53 spent. Oh, I'm doing it on the wrong one. Crap. Sorry, you guys. Alright, let's see. Let's do that one more time. See, I'm all like discombobulated because of what happened today. Alright, and then we're going to check how much money we have. Make sure it equals 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. What happened to 2, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I only have $46. I bet you I have $1 somewhere that I did not check. So we're just going to say $46. Okay. Alright, gas, we spent $15, so we should have $45 left. 20, 40, 45, and that's going to be used for Huntsville this weekend because we have a wedding to go to. The orchids, I spent $6, so that should leave $93. Nope, $94. $94. Let's see. And that's going to be also used for the wedding too, to go out to eat and stuff. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. And I've decided, since I have to save up for my emergency fund again, everything that I get out of here will definitely go towards savings. Everything, you guys. Everything. Alright, and then I used out to eat. I used sushi, not sushi, it was Starbucks. I used $13 and I have $5, $6, $7 left. And that is right because I only had $20. Alright, cushion. We did $30 for Amazon dress, $38, or no, $39. $30 for Amazon, $39 for Etsy, and then I did sushi. Ugh, I keep on messing up. Oh my gosh, this is just not my day, you guys. I am so sorry. 39 and sushi. That was 89. Is that it? Yes. So we did $89. 150 minus 89 equals $61 left. And then sinking funds, we did $105 plus 25. So 130. Move this aside. We're going to figure out how much is in our sinking funds, which is $981. Let's see. So we have $851 left in our sinking fund. So I need to build up car maintenance once again. But all right, you guys, so that is everything. Our weekly check-in, you guys. So it ran from the 17th through the 23rd. Had a lot of hiccups, but you know what? It is fine. I'm going to bounce back. Thank you, everybody, for y'all's love and support and for continuing to watch my videos. I really appreciate you guys. And let me know if y'all have a channel, because I will go and support you guys and get to know you. I just, I just like talking. I like talking to the computer or to the camera, and I like talking to y'all and getting to know y'all. I have made some wonderful people, have met wonderful people on here, and we continue to support each other. So if you want some support, let me know, because I am more than willing to go and support you guys. All right, you guys, so that is it for our weekly check-in, and next time you see me, I'm not sure, because I will be gone this weekend. I'm sure grocery haul will be coming up. We don't have a payday this week. Hopefully, maybe I can get another video up, but I'm not sure. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.